Hello and welcome to AKA Our 80s Life, and today we are on location at the Goodwill. We are back from thrifting and now we're ready to show you what we found. But there is one elephant in the room right now.
Yes, there is.
Would you like to tell them about this little guy or big guy?
Well, I just thought that this was the cutest suitcase, and these vintage Samsonite suitcases are actually becoming quite valuable. And they're selling on eBay from $50 to $100 for the ones that are in good condition. This one is in great condition, and it was only $6.99. And so I just couldn't leave it there.
I didn't believe her. She saw it and she couldn't get her mind off of it. I told her no, it's too big, we don't need it. And she kept just fretting about it while we were in the store. And she finally just told me, keep this coming home with us.
I did, I just sort of grabbed it. But I mean, for $6.99, and it's robin's egg blue, it's so pretty. And so yeah, so we bought the suitcase and it is full of goodies.
The challenge we have for ourselves is to see how many costumes we can come up with, 80s costumes, from things we found at thrift shops and things we had around the house already.
Yeah, so we're gonna do some crafting to some of these things. These are just the things we picked up today at the thrift store. And in an upcoming video, we will show you all the ideas we came up with. We are challenging ourselves. Not sure how many we'll do. We're gonna try to do 20.
Abby started at 100. And I'm like, no.
It's gonna be a challenge, but we're gonna, we only spent about $20 today on costume pieces, and we're gonna try to see if we can make 20 80s themed costumes, and we will be sharing with you guys. These are all DIY costumes you can do yourself at the last minute for Halloween, so no excuses if you don't have a costume. So watch for that video coming soon. But for today, we're going to show you what we bought, but we're not going to tell you what we're going to make. Right. You
can figure that out for yourself. Or you can wait till the next video comes out.
Yeah, okay. So, shall we open the suitcase?
Yes, I feel like it's like a treasure.
It is. Well, it is a treasure. And so, now we'll do the big reveal. And it is full, you guys. We got a lot of stuff. Nice sound effects, Keith. You know we can add those in post-production, right?
Oh.
Here's all our stuff. And I'm going to turn this around so we can show you what we bought. So hang on just a second.
If you're new to our channel, be sure and subscribe. And there's one thing we should warn you about. We love Halloween.
We're obsessed with Halloween, let's face it. And we made a video last year showing our costume closet. Yes, we have an entire closet where we store our costumes. And I'll link that video so you can watch that if you're interested. We'll just be adding these to the rest. So you might be wondering why we buy so many costumes, but you know what? We like to dress up. It's fun.
Alright, so the first thing I want to show you actually is not 80s related, but it was a t-shirt that I found that I could not pass up. And another thing you should know about me, I'm obsessed with t-shirts.
Yes, he has a lot of shirts.
So anyway, this one suits me perfectly. It says, lettuce. The taste of sadness.
And look at this 80s style sweater. It is super cute, and I got it for only $2.
Alright, the next thing we got was a Harlem Globetrotter jersey.
So cool.
With the name Special K on the back.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I got a couple of Barbie pink tops. You can figure out what I'm gonna do with these, but I thought they were a pretty color. And I've got plans for them.
All right, next thing we bought was a red hat.
Cute.
Yes.
And I got, now I really think this is from the 80s, you guys. Look at this top. I mean, and it's got the little lacy sleeves and lacy collar. Oh my goodness. Awesome.
Yes. All right, next. A red hoodie.
Red hat and a red hoodie.
I don't know.
And I just got this because I thought it was a fun pattern. It looks like 80s / early 90s. A little Saved by the Bell action maybe. Oh my goodness. This is, I saved the best one for last for you.
Yeah.
I think you should try that on.
It's a red jacket. with some black velvet on the collar.
Velvet collar. Woo! Put it on, Keith. Put it on.
This is high class stuff right
I mean,
here.
it is.
Man. All right.
There you go. Oh, yes.
I didn't try it on the store.
Now, these aren't going to go together.
No, they're not. But
they're for 2 different costumes.
here we go.
Okay,
right.
yes.
Sweet.
I mean, maybe not with the Super Mario shirt, but we have a plan for this thing.
What are we doing with this?
What could it be? Now, this last one of mine, and I think it's going to be pretty obvious, but thinking 80s, thinking an 80s movie. It is, can you see it? It's a military style dress, and I am going to give you a little hint on this one. I went to Joann's and found these patches. So you can try to guess what I'm going to be doing with this one, but you will have to wait to see how many costumes we come up with from the thrift store and DIY, and we'll give you all kinds of ideas that you can use for last minute 80s costumes. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. In case we don't see ya, good afternoon.
Good evening.
And good night.